Here are some of the things you need to do to fade your dark spots and to see results. The first thing is you need to exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week using a body scrub that contains turmeric or glycolic or lactic. Will help you to remove your dead skin cells. And secondly, you need to treat daily. You need to treat those dark spots daily. Here are some of the products you need to get. You need to get products that contains vitamin C. Vitamin C helps to brighten and repairs your skin. You need to get a product that has niacinamide, or you get niacinamide serum, or you get a vitamin C serum. For the body, you need to get a vitamin C body lotion, or you get a vitamin B body lotion. So now vitamin B fixes pigmentations and strengthens the skin barrier, and you need a product that contains licorice extract too. Licorice extract is a natural brightener, so it helps to brighten your skin. And for kojic acid, alpha butane, etc., targets stubborn spots. Kojic acid or alpha butane actually targets stubborn spots. You need to get a product that has kojic acid in it. You can decide to get the kojic acid soap that's all over the internet, but just in case it's very harsh for your skin, you need to deviate from it and get something else that contains kojic acid. And the third thing is to hydrate and repair your skin. Now, using body oils with natural ingredients, that's why I always emphasize on getting one of our body oils which is very hydrating and moisturizing. Most of the time it's not about rubbing lotions. Oil also helps to give you the glow that you need, so you can switch to oils if your lotions are not working for you. For oils, for body oils that contains ingredients like rose hip oils, calendula oils, they can help you to hydrate and repair your skin. The last thing you need to do is apply your SPF daily, every day. You can't stop. You can't say you're treating hyperpigmentation and you're not applying your SPF. You are just opening your skin for more harms. I will advise you to use your sunscreen, and it's a must for you to have it. Even if you are a dark skin or even if you're a light skin, you need to protect your skin. SPF is used as a UV rays darkening existing spots. SPF is a more